You certainly suffer or have suffered from this and may know someone with these famous white stripes on the skin. Anyone who has experienced it knows how unpleasant it is to find stretch marks on your body. On your butt, breasts, legs, abdomen, and even on arms, they can show due excessive stretch of the skin. Often, it is caused by rapid growth or weight gain, which is common during adolescence and pregnancy. To avoid them, it is necessary to keep your skin moisturized. The best choices are moisturizers or oils made from urea, grape seeds, and almonds, always after your bathroom once the first signs appear. It is also good to visit a dermatologist or start using some powerful homemade recipes for stretch marks treatment at home. Almond oil and coconut oil. Mix these two oils in equal parts and massage the affected area. Because it is normal, it will take a little longer to actually see the results. Using it twice a day will keep your skin hydrated and will quickly soften and stretch signs. Castor oil. This is another great oil to treat stretching signs in a natural way. Used in many beauty treatments, massage with castor oil can alleviate problems, and many times can even recover damaged skin. Aloe vera gel. There are few studies that prove that aloe vera gel can help with stretch marks, but there are a lot of people who like this natural treatment. Aloe vera is a powerful natural medicine for our skin. To use them, cut a piece of aloe vera leaf. Remove the gel and apply it to the affected area, gently massage it. Let it work for 30 minutes, and rinse. Do you enjoy the video yet? Have you ever used one of these recipes? Give your video a thumbs up to help our channel. But, before trying any of these recipes, it is important to peel off your skin, so that natural medicines can work quickly and better. In this case, we will also teach you how to do this to make a natural peeling with sugar. Sugar will eliminate dead skin and will also treat damaged skin. Type of ingredients: 1 tablespoon of sugar, 1 tablespoon of almond or organic oil, additional fresh coconut oil. Mix and gently rub ingredients into affected areas. Let it work for 15 minutes, and rinse. Do this twice a week for better results.